Snow's after piling up since I last took a quick video clip. Look at it drift in between the truck and my car. And guys, look at this. Look down. Look where my feet is too. They're buried. And my boots are big tall winter boots. But like I said, we're not getting as much snow as some other provinces, but still we're getting quite a bit. And it's been snowing non-stop. Look at it drift in front of my car. It's gotten higher. And my car's starting to look like a marshmallow now. He's out using the scoop. Everybody's out scooping. But I told him, I said, use the snowblower. Or use the quad, either one with the plow. Make it easier for himself. Like the saying goes, work smarter, not harder. But you want to use the scoop. This is the second time plowing out our back step. Ah! Don't pick it at me. Got your head on the clothesline. The clothesline's hanging right low. Gotta get that fixed.
Hard to say, only did that.
Yeah, he only did it a while ago. Look at the snow on it again. And he shoveled that off like about 2 hours ago. So the dog could come out to pee. For the snow again. Supposed to get up to 40 centimeters. Now I know other places are getting up to 100, 110. Don't quote me on that, but I know we're supposed to get up to 40. I'm gonna walk around and see if there's any other deep snowbanks around the house anywhere. It's all ice here. Woo! Yeah, I says watch it for the clothesline and I hooks up in it. Smart. Yeah, I definitely ain't going through there. He had to walk to get into the garage. Yeah, that's really deep. Didn't think it was that deep. Maybe I thought maybe halfway up my boot. It's cold this way. That garbage box was buried a while ago, but I think the wind shifted and it's starting to unbury on one side. So I figured I'd come out and I'd take a quick clip, show you guys the snow we're getting. Everybody's out plowing and scooping. Our driveway's right full too. Watch if the plow don't plow us in again, our driveway. And I'll have another video out for you guys soon. So if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave, guys. This is our front step. Only a little tiny drift. The wind is not blowing this way. I'm going to go in and get dinner on there now. See, the rest of our steps bare. Wind's not blowing this way. The wind is shifting. He said he's going to take the truck and put it behind my car after. Because he said that way, if that side of the driveway fills in, he can come out of the garage with his bike and a snowplow on the front of it, and he can get the whole driveway in. Forgot the dog's leash on top of the table in the mountain of snow. I'm going to have to go out and get it after, so we can put her on the leash when she wants to go out to pee.